How to get best Vivada promo codes. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to use an actual promotional codes that you can still redeem on playing Vavada. Now the very first thing that you want to have to do is to open up preferred web browser, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now you're going to have to visit this resource, which is going to be cricketbadpro.com. Now this is going to be your interface. All I have to do is to locate this magnifying glass, the top right, and then look for Vavada. Hit on enter. Now you're going to be seeing a lot of results here, but what you have to choose is the Vavada promo code and choose on read more. So if you scroll down, you should be able to see these unique codes indicated on your screen. All you have to do is to use these codes and then have it pasted into Vavada's official site for you to redeem the code. And that's it. That's how you get best Vavada promo codes.